Hi everyone, look at this. This is the brand and these are the dual shower head. I'm going to install it. It comes with two handhelds, this one and this one, and it has filtration system as well. So this is amazing and very comfortable, and it has also another head here. So another handheld like this one. So let me install it and I'm going to show you how it looks like in my shower. I have installed it. This is a fixed head here, and this is like the filtered head that you can put up and down and this is, you can switch between it and this removable head. Look at this, and let's put it down, and look, if you do this, it will switch to this kind of head here. All right, this is amazing. Let's make it hard stronger like this. This is very nice. So we have another option. If we twist this, nice. And wow, this is amazing. And if you want to do the portable one, you just switch it from top here. And we have this. And it has this little lever, like look here, this little lever that will change the modes as well. Cool. I really love this shower head and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.